I have an old dead Buffalo grinder here. It has a dead switch on it. I know that because I pulled it off and pulled it apart, and when I did, something fell out that I knew was busted. What was busted was right here. This clamp, or this metal conductor, had a twin over here and it busted off. Now how this thing works is when I pull the on-off button to turn the machine on, these two contacts are, they make contact with this metal piece, and it's the same thing with these two contacts over here. They would make contact with this metal piece, which broke off. So what I ended up doing is this is a double throw, a single throw double touch switch. It's like having two light switches connected to the machine. So what I got here is I have two wires coming out of this grinder. Those two wires on this diagram are the main winding right there. I numbered everything when I did this. So my main winding, and it doesn't matter which side they are. I have one winding Mark 1 and the other winding Mark 2. So I have them on separate switches, like in this diagram. Two light switches, 1 and 2 are on each separate switch. Then I have my power, the red, which you can barely see is that's number 4 upside down, and the black power is number 3. So I've again broken it up with 3 and 4. So I throw these switches at the same time, and this will go on. I'm going to put this onto connect this to my meter to this outlet that comes out of the grinder. No, they're not touching, but they're in there, and I'll turn my meter on, and you'll see right now there's no connection between the posts. They're both open. So we come down here, I'm going to throw both of these switches open to turn it on, and what happens is the ohmage goes up to 7. So it's 120 volts divided by almost 7. That'll make it run. 120 volts divided by 6.7 resistance is the current. I don't have the calculator on me, but believe me, this works. So I'm just gonna shut it off. Take these off. As soon as it lets me. Plug it in. And I'll turn this on. It comes on. So if I go to the hardware store and buy a single throw double post switch, it'll work.